All right, so what are the advantages of launching a business on Amazon KDP? Well, first of all, the first and one of the biggest advantages is Amazon takes care of the shipping and fulfillment, which means you don't have to pack any books. You don't have to make sure that the stickers are there. You don't have to make sure the quality is right. Amazon takes care of that for you. They take care of the shipping and fulfillment. So they ship the products and they fulfill the order to the customer, door to door. You don't need to see through all of that. You don't need to supervise that process, which is a very complicated logistic process that Amazon takes care of for you. Another blessing or another advantage of publishing on Amazon KDP is that Amazon takes care of the handling, which means there is no back pain that you'll suffer from. Now, I've been doing e-commerce, and at some point in time, I did local e-commerce, and I can begin to tell you how hard the logistics are. Packing the goods, making sure everything is all right, and handling the goods is really, really ruthless. And so Amazon really takes care of that for you. They handle the goods, for God's sake, which means no back pain. All right, Amazon takes care of paying your taxes. The only thing you got to do is to fill out the tax form on Amazon KDP once you especially once you start creating your account. Once you're in the process of creating your account, you will be required to answer a tax form, and you'll also be required to enter your credit card detail. Obviously, once you do that operation, Amazon will take care of calculating the tax for you and taxing you whatever you are, which means that if you are in Thailand, you don't need to be in trouble with the law because Amazon takes care of paying your taxes. You're covered. Now, Amazon takes care of the printing costs. What a novel idea. You know, you don't get to print the book. You don't really need to deal with those factories that will print the books. You just put the book in there, and then once somebody orders, Amazon takes care of everything and they take care of the printing, which is one of the most complicated processes in publishing. Amazon deposits money into your bank account. They will pay you once they receive an order. Once they receive an order, money will be deposited in your bank account, which means that you don't have to have a website, that you don't need to have a payment gateway. You don't need to concern yourself about how am I going to get paid. Amazon pays you directly into your bank account. Amazon also takes care of customer service, which means that if there is a refund, there is a problem with a certain customer, Amazon deals with refund requests. And you're just sitting there in your house or in your bedroom, whatever you are, you don't need to deal with all those problems. So if you have 100 refunds, Amazon will deal with all those 100 refunds for you. You don't need to supervise anything.